MCRD, right?
Harris Island, South Carolina. That's where Andrew went to boot camp. Andrew, don't you miss Paris Island?
And Rob went to boot camp.
Yep. Can you see your barracks from here?
I'm thinking over here on the right. That's either 3rd Battalion or that could be 4th Battalion, which is in the day they were called WMs. All right, we've been at it for about an hour on our trip from Beaufort, South Carolina. The destination that we're shooting for is St. Augustine. I'm pretty sure we're going to make it. The tide's holding us back a little bit right now, but I think we'll make up for that later. So anyway, it's about a 26-hour movement, or sail, motor, however we're going to do. And hopefully we'll make us some time here pretty soon, because I really don't want to go 27 or 28 hours. We're trying to get an incoming tide in St. Augustine. So we'll catch you out there. We're almost out into the ocean right now. It's going to be an overnight crossing, and we'll see you out there in the ocean. There was some dolphins, and of course you get the camera out and they disappear. They might be under the bow of the boat. Maria's at the helm. Daisy's on watch. Pawpaw thinks he's looking for dolphins. He's probably about to puke overboard. Definitely rougher than what they predicted, but it's still not too bad. It's supposed to be calming down. Hopefully that part of the forecast is right. All right, this is a first for us. There's no land in sight in any direction. We are in the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, with no land in sight. 360 degrees. We started off with some sailing, but we had to bring the sails in because the wind shifted and it's right on our bow now. And we could go out and then back and do a big tack, but who wants to do that? So anyway, that's our update. We just saw some dolphins. That's why I got the camera out. So I just decided to go ahead and do a recording of where we are. We're probably just east of Savannah. Maybe another hour we'll be east of Savannah. And by 3 o'clock that'll be east of Savannah, according to my calculations. Daisy! Hi, girl. Well, it's just Daisy and me inside here. We are letting Pawpaw drive for a little while. Pawpaw and Maria are out there driving. We've been at sea now for about 2 hours, and we got about 24 more to go. So we'll see how it goes. I know we look scruffy, but you know, that's the sailor's life, looking scruffy. So pretty soon, hopefully, we're going to be able to turn this engine off and just get the sails out. We have one sail out, motoring, but we're going against the current. So we want to keep the engine on while we're going against the current. But once we get out there, hopefully pop up both sails and let the wind take us where we want to go. All right, I had to put my jacket back on. It's starting to get a little chilly as the sun is setting. Maria is seasick, so she's down below. And Pawpaw's still up on the lookout. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we're looking at. That direction is west, obviously. It's almost sunset, another hour, be dark. And that is toward land, but you can't see any. And back there is, I don't know what. Out there is Africa. and that direction is Bahamas. But we're going this direction towards St. Augustine. So I'll check in later when it's night. Alright, we are about 95 miles from our destination, which is a long way in a sailboat doing six to 6.5 knots. Still got a long way to go, over 12 hours to go. Just wanted to check in, see how beautiful the night is. I'm gonna see if I can turn the camera around. I'm sure the camera won't do it justice. Nope, I'm pretty sure you can't see anything, but it's pitch black out here. We got a waning crescent moon, which means there's only about 25% of light, but the stars are really pretty. And it is going to be a long night. We decided to do our shifts. We're going to do 2 hours at the wheel, 2 hours on deck, which means up on the deck with the person driving, and then 2 hours downstairs. So you'll have to go through that rotation at least probably twice, and then we'll be really close to being in. So that's the plan for this evening. We are still at it. It's been about 20, I don't know, I lost track, 20 hours maybe, 19, 18 hours. I'll have to look. The sun's starting to come up. I'll probably look ragged, tired. I'm going to turn the camera around. The sun's about to come up. We have accomplished our goal of making it to Florida on the sailboat. Here's how Maria's celebrating. Taking a nap. We've been at it since 9:30 yesterday morning, and it's 7:30 in the morning now. The sunrise is spectacular. Lots of sun. I hope it stays this way. I'm going to turn around and check this out. Yeah, now we got a ship on the horizon. I gotta watch out for that. So let me get off here and steer the boat.
Looking salty, old man.
The boat's definitely salty.
All right. Congratulations to the crew and cap of the sailing Hana vessel. We are coming into our Florida port, St. Augustine.
St. Augustine Municipal Harbor. This is Municipal Harbor Marina. This is sailing vessel Infinity, over.
Wonder how Cortez felt when he landed on these shores.
Infinity here.
We are coming into St. Augustine, Florida,
Infinity, stand by 1.
the oldest city in the United States. A lot of boat traffic. There it is. We're gonna catch a mooring boat over there and stay a few days. Can't wait.
I'm trying to go really slow because the Bridge of Lions doesn't open at noon, and we're gonna get there at noon. I knew, but I didn't think we'd get here at noon. I thought we'd get here at 12:30. So about 30 minutes off on my planning.
No. What sailboat is behind us?
I don't know, that might be Infinity. He was as small.
St. Augustine Beach.
Right in front of the boat that's on the fuel dock now, please.
A lot of sailboats.
Green office.
We're looking for ball 14. I'm gonna go up front and look for ball 14. Hopefully we're right by that fort there.
All right, we were on the mooring ball on the north mooring field at St. Augustine. Not a huge fan of it because look at that. That's straight up to the ocean. Waves come in from the east, guess what? It's going to be wavy. But we are right here by the fort, which is pretty cool. And right there is the town. Tonight, that'll all be lit up for Christmas time. It'll be like being in New York City.